Hey, I'm Karl, your San Diego realtor, here to take you on a tour of a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, beautifully laid out detached home in Point Loma, just a jot down the way from Point Loma, like Liberty Station. You can go and golf there, you can check out the food market, you can go down there to where the canal is to the bay and do like paddle boarding, just lots of great stuff in the area. What I like about this particular property is that for 1,400 square feet, everything in the layout has every area feel slightly oversized. So for 1,400 square feet, it is extremely comfortable to live in. Now, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. And if you're thinking of buying or selling anywhere here in San Diego, you can check in the description below to set up an appointment with me either via Zoom or we can do something in person. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the tour so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So first off, we're gonna start in the living room. As we enter the house, you just got this very, very expansive space here. This couch, it's extremely comfortable, and it's because of the sheer size of the living room. You can easily put something a little bit larger in here to accommodate even more comfort. The fireplace here offers a really great aesthetic, and I like how they have the TV placed right above it. If I was to do maybe one adjustment to this area, and probably only this one, the mantle for the fireplace goes kind of high. I would actually take this top part off, bring that down a little bit lower so that I could fit a slightly larger TV in there. But that's for me. I like to watch my sports and get down on some long evenings of Mario Kart. This area also comes with all recessed lighting, and every one of these light bulbs is a soft light bulb rather than the really, really bright white lights. This just lends to creating that much more of a welcoming, relaxing, comfortable space. I can really see this space providing a lot of comfort, especially after like a long day or week of work. Just being able to come into this space and relax. You don't even have to watch TV, you can just read a book here in this area on the couch would be absolutely wonderful. The next space we're gonna look at is the dining area. It's really nice to see this built-in seating area, and what's really great is the seller put this large kind of picnic style table to accommodate to a large number of people to join you for a meal. If you wanted, you could go with a dinner table that's slightly tighter, opening up the space a little bit more, but even with the table this size, it doesn't feel cramped at all. On top of having a window right over the built-in seating area, you also have this nice glass sliding door that allows you to go right into the backyard. Not only does it give you access to the backyard if you wanted to maybe eat out there or grill out there and then bring the food into the dinner table, it also just is another point of access for natural lighting from the outside. Another feature I like to the dinner table is the light. I have never seen a light like this in another property ever. Oftentimes I'm seeing a lot of sellers put in these over industrial hipster lights. Sometimes they're a little too much and sometimes they deliver really, really well. And I think this is beautifully suited, and it's just a really, really nice light overall. Now from the dining area, we can make our way into the kitchen. This kitchen offers a big, big open space. Nothing like a galleyway where really only one person can fit in it. You can easily have someone working on one side of the kitchen and then another person on the other side without them bumping butts together. The kitchen offers upgraded countertops and plenty of cabinet space. Now the cabinets are original and they're in good enough shape, I would say. As for the appliances, all of them are newer. They're not brand new, but they have been upgraded and they're all in really good shape. In addition to the countertops, they also upgraded the faucet to the sink, which is always a nice and very simple upgrade to do that oftentimes I see people overlook. Now what's nice about the kitchen placement is its proximity to the dining and then access to the backyard. Dining and kitchen are right next to each other, open to each other, and then you also have access to the backyard immediately off the dining, which you already saw. This just makes it really, really nice if you're grilling outside or maybe you're preparing food inside and you're gonna enjoy some outdoor living, because 9 months out of the year, it's absolutely stunning in San Diego. So you can do your dinner or maybe even just an evening of drinks and appetizers in the backyard. And it's just very, very accessible and easy to go to and from the kitchen and the backyard. Now we can make our way through the bedrooms. Our first bedroom is gonna be in the very, very front of the house. This is a massive bedroom for not being a primary room. This is easily a queen size bed, and as you'll see, there's plenty of room if you want wanted to upgrade this queen to a king. With end tables on both sides, a ceiling fan, as well as a big window in the very, very front to allow some natural light in. This is a very, very comfortable space. I also like that they have a work desk located in this bedroom itself, and it just goes to show how much space there is, because even with a full bed here, you still have plenty of room from the bed to the work desk and it not feel overly cramped. All right, this next room is gonna be in the middle of the house. So it's gonna be between the primary, which is in the back of the room, and the room that we just came from, which was in the very front of the house. Now this room is gonna be smaller than the front bedroom that we just came from. It is big enough. It has a window to allow some natural light in. Again, a ceiling fan with lighting as well. And what's really, really unique, and just I'm so glad that the owner kept this in here, is this built-in shelving and table area. Even though this bedroom is noticeably smaller than the front bedroom, it's still a very, very good sized room. Most of the time I'll see a secondary or a tertiary bedroom that's smaller than this. So it's nice to see that this house at 1,400 square feet comes with really good sized bedrooms. Right, now we're gonna make our way into the final and primary bedroom. Primary bedroom comes at a great size with its own private bath and a walk-in closet. Also has a ceiling fan, so on those nights when it's not hot enough to run AC, you have a ceiling fan in here to keep the room cool at night so you can enjoy yourself. As I said before, this room is located in the back of the house, so you have a little bit of extra privacy being near the back, as well as a little bit of soundproofing just being from away from the living area in case someone is up a little bit later at night watching TV, or maybe a few people are over talking. Someone can go to bed in the primary and be a little bit more removed from the noise or any sound in the living area. Now let me show you this backyard area, which is probably by far my favorite part of this. This area is massive. You even have a garage. If you wanted to use this back area to park your car in for the garage, you could, but the driveway is so long that I can't imagine anyone would actually use the garage for their car unless they had like a classic that they're storing and protecting. But you can see the seller has this area used as more for like an accommodation area and outdoor living. They got 3 different patio areas. I love how they have the surfboards and the surf rack on the wall there to provide kind of an aesthetic and kind of a tuning anyone that's coming in and seeing the home to the vibe of Point Loma. If you're into your own personal health, they also have this wall-mounted pull-up bar where, please don't make fun of me, I'm gonna give you an example of what you could do on the pull-up bar here. I can really see someone taking a vision of this area and building something out that's like very, very accommodating. Maybe putting a type of pergola out here to diffuse the sun. That way it's kind of an area that you can enjoy at all times of the day, at most times of the year, even when it gets really, really hot. That's it for this tour. I hope you enjoyed this look at a home located in Point Loma. Again, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, just a jog down the street from Liberty Station. And if you haven't liked the video yet, please do so now. And also consider subscribing to my channel. That way you can stay up to date on all these home tours that I provide all over San Diego County. And if you're thinking of buying or selling, don't hesitate to reach out. As always, I'm Karl, your San Diego Realtor. I'll see you next video.